Alrighty, welcome back to Atomic Defense, and this video is going to be about showing you how to mount your night vision onto your helmet. Now, you might, depending on your experience, first try something like this and just kind of look at it and go, that ain't gonna work. What you do need is going to be something like the Wilcox G24. And about the G24, by far, the most popular mount, period, when it comes to your standard night vision that you're gonna be working with. Now, this little dovetail mount is going to sit in here. And so you're going to take it and pretty much just match the shape to the shape. Square peg, round hole, perfectly like that. You're going to hear that it clicks in. Then from there, you have this rhino mount that is going to sit into this rhino design. Now, this shroud is what this is, and this is actually the mount here. So you will pop it in, and on the Wilcox, for example, you're going to have this lever that goes back and forth, and put that little part back in, let it sit, and then lock it in. Now you'll see, the first time you did it, if you didn't push hard enough, you're going to have that issue. So put it back out, make sure that is seated, push it in, and then lock it. You hear a bit different click, that means you're good to go. And then same thing, before we pick it up and try it, give it a little wiggle and see where it is. Now, on most night vision, a little fun fact here in addition to this, you'll have a bit of a wiggle. And it's always suggested to run bungee cords from here to the edge and the sides of your helmet, or even to the mount itself if it comes down and you don't have rails or anything else and anything else to tie into it. So, something to think about, but that is how you attach a night vision to a helmet.